this video, I'm going to show to you 5 different tips to improve your coloring fast, precisely. So let's go, subscribe and leave a like. Number 1, always change your hues. Go through all of the rainbow. What do I mean by that? I mean that when you're drawing, you're not going to maintain like the skin tone, only that specific tone for shadows and for light. You're going to change it. Let me show it. I have this fan art that I'm doing. It's a whip of Makima. Do you see how many colors her skin have? Neither I. Look at this. Look at this. We've got purple, we've got lilac, we've got orange, we've got, oh my, what is this? We got more purple, we got more orange, we got yellow, yeah, we got all of that. Oh, even more. We got even pink, yeah, all of those colors in her skin. And red, we got red too, yeah, that's pretty much everything through her skin. And even whitish yellow, yeah, all of that. You go to the clothes. I did here going into orange. It, oh my, looks like green. Look how colors troll us. It looks like green. It's yellow. I made yellow. Yeah, there is green. Bro, there's just so many colors here. There's so many colors, like so many. Oh, this example is too realistic, Gabs. The colors are too cray-cray. I don't like it. Cool, let's go into a fan cartoon example. Look at this. Do you think this is only pink, pink, pink? Nah. Look here. We got this main pink. Oh, the shadow is already going to red. Oh, the shadow is going to pink. Oh, and here's it's going to purple and even blue. There's blue here. You can see here in my screen. There is blue. There is blue. There is pink. There is red. There is orange. There is yellow. There is all the colors possible in this drawing. Here, purple. So how do you understand how to change those colors? If you're going to a more cartoon art style or anime, normally the shadows tend to go into blue tones, purple tones, and the highlights tend to go into warm colors. It's a cool rule to follow. You can invert that, it's all fine. Just like a beginner-friendly thing to do. And if you're going to a more realistic, crazy art style like this one that I just showed right here, oh yeah, you're gonna use a lot of gray, but that gray is going to look like blue and it's going to look like all types of things. So pretty much just use your whole spectrum of colors. You can go crazy. When it's realistic time, you can go crazy. 2. Use color dodge and soft light for crazy brightness effect. Do you know those artworks that you look and just go like, wow, it's so bright and everything is so incredible and it looks so family friendly and cool and I would leave a like in this video. So yeah, how to make those effects? Do you know those effects? Heck yeah, there's color dodge. You can see here in my drawing, color dodge. What to do to have a cool color dodge? Color dodge make everything bright, like there's a strong light there. I just select the color here. Look at this. It makes a really strong light, picking the background, picking the character, picking everything. Look at this, how cool it is. And you can go and apply this here. Look at this strong light. It looks amazing. I would click on this artwork because of this strong light. By the way, it's going to look like this. This is spoilers of my artwork. Heck yeah. So pretty much, you can use color dodge for this type of effect. And you can also use, do you know what? Do you know what? Heck yeah, you can use soft light. Soft light, different from color dodge, is going to make all of your light more gentle, more soft, not so okay? So if I pick using the same color to do the effect, it's going to make everything darker. Do you see that? Makes things darker. But if I select a bright one, it's going to make it brighter, but still keeping a strong saturated color. So it's good to make specific places of your artwork more saturated. Very good for those specific places. These places here. Change between soft light and color dodge. Remember to try different types. And also, last mode. This is a bonus. There's the mode screen. This one makes everything crazy bright, so be careful. Use just a little bit, opacity 10%. Look at this. This is very good to do an extremely strong light. So, these are 2 effects that make your artwork go swoosh. Even doing this fast looks so cool. Now let's go into number 3. You gotta have a dominant color, an ambient dominant color. What does it mean? All of your ambient gotta have something going on. If you're making a more cartoon or cray-cray scene, I totally understand that you're going for different ways, but when you have one color dominating everything, you can have a complementary scheme, other schemes, but when you have one dominating the scene, bro, it looks something, okay? It looks something. Let me show right now. You have this happening. Only this area is red, but I can go here. I can click on curves. Okay, here, this is your curves. And you can go between each channel. Clicking here, red, green, blue. Of course I'm going to red, it's Makima. So I click on red and I can create 3 points or random points here. Look at this, everything becomes even more red. Everything. And you go like, oh, I love the red, but it's too reddish here. It's all fine, you can lower the red in the cray area and make the red strong in the other areas. Look at this is what we want, and everything is a little bit reddish. And this makes the artwork much more incredible. And not only red, you can go into the green channel and make it look even stronger. The highlights, look at this, even stronger. They really look stronger. By the way, doing green and red colors, they really go well together. Complementary schemes are like the main thing. I love them. Look at this, look at this, bro. Look at this. You can see the dominant color. If you go too far away, you can see that even more. But you get me. You get the point. Look at these, bro. Look at these. Here. And here, normal. Yeah, normal. Look at the difference. All in this area here was strong, and now everything is reddish. And of course, you can take out those effects, so only this area is that strong. And you can keep on adjusting and adjusting to be sure that you're getting the right effect that you like, the right effect that you're like, oh my, I love it. What is that, Gabs? Or even do more crazy like this. Okay, just have something that you go like, looks good, okay? Just that. It's going to make your artwork amazing. Now, this is a much warmer composition. Red is the ambient color here. You can see the changes. You can really see those changes. And now, tip number 4. Use reference. Do you think I'm doing those drawings by my head? No freaking way! I'm using reference, I'm using tons of reference. I search at Google, I use artists that I enjoy seeing their artwork as reference for shadow light or way of painting. I do all of that stuff, so what are you waiting for? Use reference. Reference is the #1 thing in this world, okay? I'm talking seriously. You're gonna be using reference, okay? Because if you don't, my heart. Okay, and thank you. I know you're going to use reference. You are a cool champ. You're amazing. Number 5. Don't be afraid to try out different colors. I remember when I was on my noob days, on my beginner days, on my, this is a pencil. And I would go like, should I really try that color is so strong? And what if I mess up? What was going to happen? No! Hey, you're trying new stuff. Don't be afraid to try new stuff. Go out and go for it. Enjoy the process. Don't be so hard on yourself, because the more you're training, going out with those different colors, and I'm sure that you're going to find them really different when you look at your reference and go like, oh, this is the color in my reference? I would never use that color. It's too strong and too different or too low saturated. I would never use that. But you go like, oh, it's been used. So that's what I'm talking to you here. Don't be afraid to try different colors. Save an extra version of your digital art, or if you're drawing on paper, try again. I used to do that a lot. Draw again and again and again the same scene. So go and try out. What you waiting for? Just do it. So did those tips help you? Tell me in the comments below what kind of content would you like to be seen here. And if I forgot some important tip about coloring, comment down below like, hey, this tip here also is really important, or the new one that you want to be seen. Check out our Remarin Patreon for more, and subscribe into our channel, because I'm sure we have a lot of available content for you. Heck yeah, yes you. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye!